Hello dear all, welcome to our channel Smart Indian Model School. Smart Indian Model School present Smart Indian EduFun classes. EduFun online classes includes course studies of playgroup to class 12, emotional and communication skills, happiness classes and DIY activities.
Hello everyone, I Surbhi Giroti, science teacher of Smart Indian Model School, welcome you all in our school channel SIMS Official. These days we are giving online classes to our dear students and we are feeling a lack of face-to-face contact with them. But for the solution of this problem, we tried something new and we plan to give them an oral assignment. We asked them to prepare a video and send to us. So in the same series, I gave an assignment to the students of class 6 and I am very glad that Sapna performs so good. Her video is here. Please have a look.
Number 5. How will you separate sugar mixed with wheat flour? If yes, how will you do it?
Sand and water separated from their mixture by following steps. The mixture is allowed to sand without by any disturbance. Now sand settles down. Slowly pour the water into another container to obtain sand in the bottom.
Question number 6. It is possible to separate sugar mixed with wheat flour.
Yes, it is possible to separate sugar mixed with wheat flour by the following method. Mix sugar and wheat flour in water. Stir the solution to allow sugar to dissolve. Now filter the mixture. Filtrate contains sugar solution and residue will be wheat flour.
Question number 7. How would you obtain clear water from a sample of muddy water?
Following process should be carried to obtain clear water from muddy water. Allow muddy water to stand. Mud gets settled down in the water. Slowly pour the water to another container.
Question number 10. Homemade is prepared by mixing lemon juice and sugar in water. You wish to add ice to cool it. Should you add ice to the lemonade before or after dissolving sugar? In which case would it be possible to dissolve more sugar?
Ice should be added to lemonade after or before dissolving sugar. It is possible to add more sugar before adding ice.
Number 1. Why do we need to separate different components of mixture? Give examples.
When two or more substances mix together, they form a mixture. Components of a mixture should be separated because some components may not be useful or may spoil the useful components of the mixture.
Question number 2. What is winnowing? Where it is used?
It is the method of separating the components from a mixture. In the method, heavier and lighter components of a mixture are separated by wind or by blowing air. This method is used to separate grains or from husk.
Question number 3. How will you separate husk or dirt particles from a given example of pulses before cooking?
Husk or dirt particles are separated from pulses by hand picking.
Question number 4. What is sieving? Where it is used?
Sieving is a method which fine particles are sieved through holes of the sieve while the bigger impurities remain on the sieve. Sieving is used in flour mill to separate impurities like husk and stones from wheat before grinding it.
यदि आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो आगे की वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन प्राप्त करने के लिए कृपया बेल बटन दबाएं और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। Please subscribe our channel of EduFun Classes. Thank you for watching.